Bitcoin has been breaking out of this very important resistance line, and most important thing here is we are retesting that old resistance line as support right now. Also, we have some very important other charts which we will diving right away into it. First of all, let me talk about this very important resistance line we had here. And we tapped it 4 times and we broke out of it, as you can see right over here. And the most important thing to do afterwards is just retest it and really flip it into support. And that's exactly what Bitcoin has been doing here. We are flipping it into support right now. We get supported by it for a massive amount of time, and this will signal for a further move towards the upside. And I am anticipating on this move with a very big trade. I am scaling in from off this point, and if we even drop further towards the downside, I want to be adding more and more to my long position on Bitcoin here. So it's pretty exciting to see that Bitcoin is perfectly following the plan here, and this is a massive setup you could take to make a lot of money in the markets here. Also, if we can see here on the Bitcoin time frame, the 2 daily time frame, we can see that we are in a major squeeze, and we are currently at a resistance. But I really think with the support of this line, we will push further towards the upside, which could mean for a breakout on this pattern here, and it will be very bullish if we see so, because the price target of this pattern is approximately 120k Bitcoin. And of course you want to be in that trade towards the upside, because it's a significant 15% move towards the upside here. So I'm pretty excited to see what we will do. Currently we are on the top side, but we need to see a breakout before heading towards the next highs here. And I really think that with these patterns combined here, these charts combined, if we see a breakout like we expect on this time frame, and we see it right over here, we could see an all-time high anytime soon here. If we get rejected by the top side, it will mean that we will have a small cool down towards the downside, but that's only fine because we can anticipate on that to open up an even bigger position than in the first place here. And we have also very big support on the lower side, so if we drop, we will get supported by this line as well. So things are looking very good. Also, if we look at the Bitcoin volatility index, which is a pretty important chart, we can see that we tapped the red line once again, and we do it all the time here. And most likely on Friday we are tapping the top side here, and in this week we saw them tap it on Monday, and afterwards the volatility got even lower. And of course we are in the weekend right now, so volatility and volume isn't that big right now. But what we can see right over here, we are approaching the support zone. Every single weekend we are tapping into this green zone here, and we saw a pump towards the red line again, which caused for a volatility move into crypto once again. So that will mean that crypto will have some volatility in it, and that means that Bitcoin will move next week if we tap this green line once again. So for now volatility is low, but it will change if we tap the green line here. And then for the liquidity in the market, which is a really good indicator to open up your trades, and we are building liquidity on the top side and on the lower side here. So what does this mean? The volatility is pretty low, so I see a very high chance to first take out the lower side here, take out all the people that are in a buy position, in a long position, then pump towards the upside to take the short side out, and then Bitcoin will eventually move its own way because no one is in a trade anymore. If you are following the liquidity, I am anticipating on a trade to open it right into the liquidity on the lower side there. So buy in a liquidity zone, which is a really good strategy here. So I really think we maybe get a little fake out towards the downside. People will panic and we move towards the upside to take all the short liquidity out here. And then Ethereum is also looking very, very good. And I'm also opening a position on Ethereum here to spread my chances. Because what can we see? We saw a massive, massive accumulation zone, as we can see here. And that means that liquidity is building up on the lower side. And that is exactly what we have been taken out right above here where the liquidity was laying, and on the lower side where the liquidity was laying. So we had two fake outs. All the people are out of their position. We saw a move towards the upside, and we are currently in the range once again. And on the lower side, we get supported right now. So the next move we expect is the easy move towards the upside of the range, which is approximately $2,700 for ETH. That will be a trade without any leverage if you open it right now of 12%. If you put a 3x leverage, you will make 36% here. And I really think the chances are really, really big that we will move further towards the upside on Ethereum, because things are looking very, very good. And market structure wise, it is exactly how the market makers wants this chart. Pull people in the market, take them out, and then start a real move towards the upside. So I'm anticipating on this heavily here because I'm really, really bullish on this chart here. Also, if we look at the total market cap here, we can see that we had here in 2024 resistance on all the tops here, and we broke out of it and perfectly retested it, and we broke out a 70% move here. For now, we are currently seeing exactly the same. We have all those tops stacking above us 4 times. We saw it 4 times here as well. And now we are anticipating on a breakout. And if we see so, the crypto market will literally explode here, because then a 60% move will happen, which means that we go from $3.2 trillion market cap to $4.3, and that will be massive, and most of that money will flow into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that means that price will surge massively here. So I'm so bullish on this chart as well, because we're literally repeating the history here, and if we see so, we will be making a lot of money here with our Bitcoin and Ethereum trades. So things are looking very, very good in the crypto market right now. And if you want to never miss a move again into the market, please make sure to follow me right over on my X page, because I'm literally transparent posting here when I'm opening trades, how big my trades are, which my entry is, which my take profit is. So you literally can see what I'm doing. It's pure alpha I am sharing right over here. And if we break out about a pattern or something is happening in the market, I will post it right over here, so you will never miss something again in the crypto market. And if you never want to miss a daily update video once again, please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you like this daily update video, please make sure to smash up the like button, and I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto daily update video.